Day 3 fit check.
Boots.
Ooh. And those are sheer
Fleece lined
line
leggings. Sheen over something.
Overalls.
Uniqlo thermals 2 layers.
Let's go.
Gloves, mufflers, and a cutie bow.
Oh, wait, let me show this. Done. Cutie. Same outfit as yesterday. Abercrombie and Fitch jeans with thermals. Cider sweater with that white shirt inside. And then my puffer jacket. That's it.
And the ear muffs.
Oh yeah, my ear mufflers. I forgot those are on. We're gonna go get croissants from a place nearby. That's apparently really good. And then we're gonna go see the Transit Museum. And then we're gonna just see Prospect Park and come home. Then Ritz is gonna take head bath. And then we're gonna head out again to Central Park. Potentially. Because it's supposedly the sunniest it's gonna be this week. Or not sunniest, but one of the sunniest. The only other day is my birthday. So, that's our plan. Let's go. Cutie! Full outfit. Yay! There's a wait. Is it out of this world?
$1,
$1,
$2.
$2. This is so nice. Push.
Yeah, I think it's the last stop.
First time on the bus.
It's the last stop. Yeah, I think so.
We are on our way to Grimaldi's Pizza. I'm expecting a very big wait, but hopefully it's worth it. There was no wait. Thank you. Yeah. Love in her eyes. Apparently the cheesecake's really good here. We're sitting at the counter. We got our cheesecake. This place is so cute. Nikhila bought a dishwashing liquid soap, but she bought the normal one and not the dishwasher one. And we turned on this dishwasher, trying to be good guests, but now we have ruined it. Yay! Okay. It's looking better.
Give the bigger glass. No, it didn't look right.
Okay guys, we cleaned it and we just put a rinsing thing again. We didn't need this today. But hopefully it's fine and there's no leftover soap that's gonna leak again.
I'm drinking from a bowl like a dog.
You should put it down and like lap the water. Bhavna's making us aloo fry and pappu. It's the first time we're eating home food. It's been 2 days.